I'm Saion Gupta, founder at 10x Kids, and today I'm gonna unbox this MightyMe debit card that I just received. So let's open this package. Okay, so this is very special unboxing video once again. Okay, so let's try to open it now. Okay, so this is okay, and inside we have this package. Ooh, sick! Nice. Oh, tape is stuck to my fingers. Okay, so now let's see. Welcome to the FamPay debit card. Okay. And here is the debit card. Okay, so this is also packed. Now let's open this. So this is my personal debit card. Wow, so cool. FamPay debit card, and it is also MightyMe written over here. So cool. This is my debit card now. Oh, my name is also written on this. Saion Gupta. So cool, guys. It's so cool. Wow. So this was my debit card. I don't know if there is already some money in this or not, but this is my debit card now. I think so. And we have a lot of this. So we have these things, and in this I had the debit card. So very cool. So thank you guys. If you like the video, please don't forget to smash the like button, and I will see you in the next one.